Good evening,
Yes,
ma'am.
this is how we say hi. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, all of you. Hello. Yes,
Good
hello,
evening,
hello.
ma'am.
Good evening, Binyamin. Okay. How are you all? How are you all? कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे?
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay. Feeling great. Feeling good.
Yes,
Okay. Yes. Excited for today? Are you all excited for today?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, great. So सबसे पहले चीज तो ये है, first and the most important thing is that today you will first just look at the screen, okay? आज आप सारे बच्चे सिर्फ screen के ऊपर ध्यान दोगे. You don't have to open any application, you don't have to open Word, PowerPoint, Excel, anything. You will just look at the screen. I will be sharing my screen with you all. आप सिर्फ स्क्रीन की तरफ आज देखने वाले हो एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले 2 गेम्स ओके so I will just I think ma'am should we wait another 1 minute for their friends to join in so that we can start. So आज का जो टॉपिक है that is very interesting. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the keyboard. Yes, यू आर यूजिंग लैपटॉप्स, यू आर यूजिंग कंप्यूटर, सो उसके ऊपर कीबोर्ड है ना जिसपे सारे अल्फाबेट्स है. बट अदर देन अल्फाबेट्स आल्सो देयर आर सो मेनी कीज देयर. कितनी अलग अलग चीजें हैं उस कीबोर्ड पे. So today I am going to teach you what this keyboard is all about. ये सारे कीबोर्ड के जो जो कीज है वो किस उनके उनके रीजंस क्या है, how they are useful to us, and then we are going to play game on increasing your typing speed and understanding the keys around. All right. So give me a quick thumbs up if you have understood what we are going to do. Great. All right. Very nice. So just give me a second so that I can share my screen with you all. And we are ready to go. Okay, great. So yes, now here I have used PowerPoint. Okay, so we have learned PowerPoint. So मैं यहाँ पे अभी आज PowerPoint use करने वाली हूँ. So the title of today's session is typing. Today we are going to see how to type fast and how to type correctly. But before we go ahead, I'm going to teach you about a keyboard. So this is our keyboard. एंड ये आप देखो, look at your own laptops, look at your own computer. Is this keyboard same? आप सबके कीबोर्ड्स ऐसे ही है ना? Yes, everyone's keyboard is like this. You can show me a thumbs up if your keyboards are the same. Yes, great. Okay, so quickly I am now going to show you different keys. Okay, so all right. Okay, so this is known as a caps lock. Can you see this? I have highlighted it with red. This is known as a caps lock. Now ये caps lock क्या होता है? It is when you have to type anything in capital. अगर आप कुछ capital में type करना चाहते हो, then you can type it with the help of this caps lock. आप जैसे ही caps lock को press करोगे, just press and see. जैसे आप प्रेस करते हो वहां पे एक लाइट लगता है, छोटू सा एक लाइट लगता है. दैट मीन्स योर कैप्स लॉक इज ऑन. अब ये ऑन हो गया है, जैसे हमारा लाइट ऑन होता है ना, लाइट ऑन ऑफ द सेम वे नाउ योर कैप लॉक इज ऑन. सो जैसे अगर आप कुछ भी टाइप करने अगर जाते हो, सो एवरीथिंग विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग टाइप इन कैपिटल्स. आई विल जस्ट शो इट टू यू हाउ इट विल हैपन. ओके, all right, so this is a caps lock. Now second part which comes is, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो there is a sign of like a sun. Okay, छोटू सा ऐसे sun जैसे sign लगता है. Now this sign is for the brightness of the screen. जैसे हमारे फोन के स्क्रीन पे भी brightness होता है, the same way our laptop and our computer has also got a brightness screen. So अगर ये आता है तो इसका मतलब है that your screen brightness, you can reduce your screen brightness. अगर आप उसके ऊपर टाइप करो, अगर आप उसको प्रेस करोगे बार बार, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपकी स्क्रीन, लैपटॉप एंड कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पूरी तरह से डार्क हो गई है. और उसके ही जो साइड में ये वाला बटन है F2, अगर आप उस स्क्रीन पे प्रेस करते हो तो आपके स्क्रीन का ब्राइटनेस एकदम से बढ़ जाता है. ओके, आपका स्क्रीन का ब्राइटनेस एकदम से ज्यादा हो जाएगा, स्क्रीन बहुत ब्राइट ब्राइट आपको दिखेगी. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट थिंग, you can see one big rectangular key here. This key, आप ये की को देख सकते हो, a big rectangular key. Okay, yes, this one. Now this big rectangular key is known as space bar. Okay, space, SPACE, space bar. Now इसका क्या काम है? जब आपको दो वर्ड्स लिखने हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल I am, ओके, सो नाउ I am, ये दो अलग अलग वर्ड्स है, तो इसमें तो हमें स्पेस छोड़नी पड़ेगी, हम ज्वाइन करके तो नहीं लिख सकते. जब आप नोटबुक में लिखते हो तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी पेंसिल या पेन उठाते हो और फिर उससे थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ के लिखते हो. बट जब आप कंप्यूटर पे टाइप कर रहे हो या लैपटॉप पे टाइप कर रहे हो, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम इफ यू पुट दिस स्पेस बार, अगर आप इस स्पेस बार पे क्लिक करते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्पेस क्रिएट हो जाती है, ऑटोमेटिकली धीरे से उसमें स्पेस आ जाती है, एंड देन you can write the next word, then you can write the next word, the another word. So this is a work of a space bar. Now अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझसे गलती हो गई है, ओके, आई हैव बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव रिटन समथिंग, और बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव टाइप्ड समथिंग एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट, ओके, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, आई कैन प्रेस अ डिलीट और देयर इज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ बैक स्पेस. आप बैक स्पेस भी अगर प्रेस करते हो या आप डिलीट भी अगर प्रेस करते हो, देन ऑल्सो you can clear whatever that has been written. कभी कभी गलती हो जाती है ना, हम जल्दी जल्दी में टाइप करते हैं तो गलती हो सकती है, तो in that case you can press that button. Next comes the enter. Okay, so this is an enter key. So enter का क्या काम है? When you press enter button, the moment you will press enter button, जो कुछ आपने लिखा है, okay, so the written part will उसके नीचे shift हो जाता है. So now once you have written a line and then it comes to the second line, that is a work of an enter, or whatever that you have written, it's now final, then you can come down to the second line. This is the work. Okay, उसके अलावा there are so many signs. अभी आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे there is 1 2 3 4 everything is written, but यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 के अलावा यहाँ पे ऊपर भी signs है. Now here you can see there are so many signs here. अब ये साइन को कैसे यूज करना है? अगर मुझे ये साइन यूज करनी है, the one which I'm doing it with blue, okay, if I have to use this sign, what do I have to do? If I have to use this sign, I am going to press shift, मैं shift press करूंगी and then I will press that particular button. Okay, so this is how that needs to be done. Okay, one second. All right, just give me a second. What I'm going to do now here is, okay, now I want everyone to just look at my screen and just pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, so now I have typed a caps lock button. मैंने caps lock button टाइप किया है, क्लिक किया है उसके ऊपर, so it is now all highlighted and I am going to type something here. So now it is all coming in capital. ओके सो मैंने कैप्स लॉक बटन यहाँ पे टाइप किया और मैंने स्पेस बार, सो व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग इट आई यूज अ स्पेस बार, सो इसीलिए माय थिंग्स आर हैविंग स्पेस, ये दो वर्ड्स के बीच में इतनी स्पेस क्रिएट हो गई है। ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई वांट टू यूज दैट की। अब मुझे क्या यूज करना है, मुझे ये जो 4 के ऊपर जो साइन है या 3 के ऊपर जो साइन है, आई वांट टू यूज दैट की। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेस शिफ्ट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेस द बटन 4। सी नाउ द साइंस आर कमिंग। अब मैं जो साइन चाहूं वो मैं प्रेस कर सकती हूँ। कैन यू सी all of you, can you see this? Okay, so you have to press 2 buttons at a time. One is the shift button and another one is the that particular key जिसका sign आपको use करना है. So you have to use 2 fingers at a time. Okay, अब ये जो कुछ मैंने लिखा है, I don't want that, मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ ये सारी चीजें. So what I am pressing? I am pressing backspace or I am going to press delete button. I am pressing a backspace और I am going to press delete button. So जो कुछ है वो चीजें अब फिर से delete हो गई है. All right. Now again I am writing something. अब मुझे कैप्स का बटन नहीं चाहिए. I don't want everything to be in capital. So मैं कैप्स बटन बंद कर रही हूँ. So see now it's coming in small letters. Hello friends. How are you all? Okay, now I have typed this. अब मुझे next line पे आना है. I don't want to write continuously. उसके सामने मुझे नहीं लिखना है, मुझे next line पे आना है. So when I want to come on the next line, I am going to press enter. See, automatically I have come down to the next line. I am doing great. अभी मुझे फिर से next line पे आना है. Again I will put enter. So again I am on next line. I hope you are feeling good. So इस तरीके से हम ये कीबोर्ड के ऊपर सारी चीजें यूज करते हैं, सारी चीजें इस्तेमाल करते हैं. I am again going to share. Okay, my screen is again already in process. All right. So now I have taught you what all things to use. We have learned what is the work of a caps lock, what is the work of a shift, ये buttons को किस तरीके से use करना है, okay? Then how to use a space bar, how to use enter button, shift button, how to use a delete हम कब use करते हैं. अब इसी के साथ साथ if you want to use, अगर आपने जो कुछ किया है उसको अगर आपने सेव करना है, ओके? सो मैंने सेव करने के लिए आपको कैसे सिखाया था, हाउ डू वी हैव टू सेव इट, कैसे करते हैं हम सेव? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू टू सेव इट? व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू टू सेव अ फाइल, वर्ड फाइल, और हमने पावर पॉइंट फाइल कैसे सेव की थी? व्हाट डिड वी डू? What did we do? बताओ बताओ, क्या कर रहे थे हम सेव करने के लिए? You can unmute and answer. Yes, we were going. हम क्या कर रहे थे पहले? Yes, Anmol has said it. What we used to do? What we used to do here is you used to go on. आप किस पे जाते थे? आप फाइल पे जाते थे. You used to go on file. Then you used to go on save as. और वैसे करके आप सेव करते थे, राइट? I will show how we used to save. हम क्या करते थे? हम यहाँ पे जाते थे फाइल में और हम फिर सेव एज पे जाके उसको सेव करते थे. बट अब जब हमारे पास कीबोर्ड है, सो देयर इज अ वेरी इजी मेथड टू सेव. ओके, बहुत एक इजी मेथड है to save a file. आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको फाइल पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको save as बटन प्रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is you just have to press control button and S. Control and S together. S is for save. Okay. So S का मतलब है save. So S और control button जब आप एक साथ प्रेस करते हो, with the help of these two fingers, when you press control and S together, your file gets saved. आपकी फाइल ऑटोमेटिकली सेव हो जाती है, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And when you have to use these signs, the signs above, that time you have to use shift and the particular key. आप जैसे ही शिफ्ट और वो पर्टिकुलर की प्रेस करते हो, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका ये जो है, जो कुछ आप चाहते हो वो स्क्रीन पे आ जाता है. जैसे यहाँ पे भी मैंने दिखाया, इफ यू हैव टू यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क, देन फॉर क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑल्सो यू कैन प्रेस शिफ्ट एंड द बटन टुगेदर. Okay, all of you? Yes, give me a thumbs up if you have understood. All right. Now I am going to give you an instructions and you have to follow it. First of all, open your Word file. Open your Word file. I am not going to teach you how to open a Word file. So open a new Word file. Okay. Open a new Word file. Great. Has everyone opened it? Yes. Now I want you all to use all the keys that I have taught, and you can type whatever you wish to type. In the meantime, I want the parents, please let me know in the chat box whether the kids are using both their hands or they're using their single hand. I mean, are they typing like this or are they typing like this? So just let me know in the chat box how the kids are doing it. Yes, open a Word file. Type something with your caps lock on. Type something with the help of the shift button and the signs. Okay, single hand, both hand, maximum left. Okay, right hand. Okay. Yes. You need to use all the keys. सब keys use करके देखिए क्या क्या हो रहा है. Okay. Press the brightness key. I can see Aditya, your laptop's brightness is too much. So how will you reduce the brightness of the screen? Show me how to reduce the brightness of the screen. Aditya Punekar. Yes, Ananya, even your brightness screen is too much. Show me how you can reduce the brightness of the screen. What button are you going to press for the brightness? Yes, Binyamin. Binyamin, first you need to cancel that. आपके इस पे आ गया है ना, save as का option आया है. So just cancel that. Yeah, you need to press on the cancel button. Yes.
Ma'am, she is doing only single hand, that right hand.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Pranav, I can see myself in the screen. Okay, you need to open Word file first. Everyone is going to open Word file. You all know how to open the Word file. Open a Word file and type something with the caps lock on. Done, Aishwarya, great. Type something with caps lock on. Then type something using both the keys together at the same time, like the shift and the key. Yes, good Pranav. एक साथ यूज करना है. Okay,
Word file.
you're done. Fine.
No मैम, नया नहीं हुआ. Word file खोजे. Word file.
वर्ड फाइल ओपन किया है ईशान. ओके, वर्ड फाइल ओपन करने के बाद
खोला नहीं मैंने.
तो खोलो, वर्ड फाइल ओपन करो.
ओपन किए.
हाँ,
वर्ड फाइल.
यस, वर्ड फाइल ओपन करो. ओके कल्याण, योर लैपटॉप brightness is too much. Show me how to reduce that. How to reduce, Kalyan, the screen's brightness. Reduce screen's brightness. कौन सा की हम यूज करेंगे ब्राइटनेस कम करने के लिए?
खोल दे.
मैम ब्राइटनेस
यस,
एक्सक्यूज मैम ओनी का देखिएगा. लाइक दिस.
good. I can see the kids doing it. Yes, Binyamin, that's the right key. You press in the smaller circle. Yes. The second or the third key in the start of the keyboard is to reduce the brightness. The third key, I guess. Yeah, the third key. So if you press the third key, your screen's brightness will get reduced. If you press the fourth key, your screen brightness will increase. Screen बहुत bright दिखेगी. All right. Okay.
Ma'am, how do we do it in this laptop? Shift F7, is it? It's above F7. The brightness key is above F7.
No, ma'am. So in that case, you just have to press the F7.
Just press F7, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I can see so many screens there. Manas is typing something. Anmol is also doing it. Ananya, Soumitra, Arya, Manish, Arjun. Okay. Great. Great. That's nice. Okay. Yes, Omkar is also typing something. Pranav, Anmol, Arjun Mishra. Okay, you can quickly show me a thumbs up when you're done, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैंने अरमान को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कौन सा क्लिक करें.
सर क्या क्लिक करने के लिए सर?
किसके लिए बेटा बताओ मैडम को.
मैं आप जैसे मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या दबाऊं इसका.
क्या दबाऊं?
मैं दबाऊं.
ओके, आपको वर्ड फाइल ओपन करनी है. हम वर्ड फाइल कैसे ओपन करते हैं? हम लेफ्ट बटन क्लिक करते हैं, फिर आपको एक ऑप्शन आता है न्यू. सो जब आप न्यू पे क्लिक करते हो, देन देयर इज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ वर्ड फाइल. You were there for the previous sessions, baby? You were there?
मैं वो तो है
Actually,
नहीं.
my laptop was hanged. My laptop was hanged.
मैडम अरमान का this is first session.
Okay, sir. Sir, we need to open the Word file. Okay, I will quickly show how to open a Word file.
My laptop was hanged, so I log in again.
Okay, your laptop got hanged, Pranav. You logged in again. No worries. Okay. Even I feel my laptop is getting hanged. Okay, all right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
वर्ड फाइल इसमें है नहीं.
बच्चा वर्ड फाइल ऑटोमेटिकली लैपटॉप्स में होता है. I will just show it to you how to open it. Okay. So you press this left side button. Once you press a left side button, you will get an option of new. And when you click on this new, you will get this option of Microsoft Word document. Okay.
मैडम एक्सक्यूज मी.
Yes, sir.
मैडम ये बच्चा एक नॉर्मल बच्चों की तरह नहीं पढ़ता, ये एक रिसोर्स रूम में पढ़ता है शैमरॉक स्कूल में. ये आम लोग बच्चों से थोड़ा अलग है.
Yes, sir.
से जा रहे हैं.
अभी समझना बड़ा मुश्किल है. कृपया इसको आप इंग्लिश के साथ साथ हिंदी में भी इसको ट्रांसलेट कर दीजिए.
Zarur, sir. Sir, this session is for children with all abilities. So we are trying to make sure that we are teaching the kids. हम बच्चों को इसी तरीके से पढ़ा रहे हैं, so that the kids will understand it. So no problem. Don't worry. Don't get disheartened. बच्चा आपका नाम क्या है? सबसे पहले यहाँ पे तो मुझे मोटो जी दिखाई दे रहा है. What's your name? You are on mute. आप mute पे रहो.
अनम्यूट है. अरमान, आप बोलो अरमान.
My name is Arman.
Okay, so your name is Arman. Arman, don't worry at all. हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे अच्छे से, and you will also get to know how to use the laptop and your computer. बहुत simple चीजें हैं. So we'll just get to know that. So आपने पहले सबसे पहले तो क्या प्रेस करना है? You press the left button. You press left button. आपके जो लैपटॉप पे लेफ्ट बटन है, this keypad. Yes, see this keypad. This is a keypad, and there is this left button.
I can see.
You can see Pranav. Thank you so much.
ये
उसके साइड में जो है, yes, press that button.
दिल्ली वाले है ना,
वो बटन प्रेस करती है आपके स्क्रीन पे क्या आ जाता है?
Ma'am, this one.
ये
Yes, Binyamin. Yes. जैसे ही आपके स्क्रीन पे वो आ गया, उधर आपको ऑप्शन आ रहा है, न्यू का ऑप्शन आ रहा है आपको. न्यू नीचे देखो, न्यू का ऑप्शन है वहां पे, NEW न्यू.
यस मैम.
सो न्यू पे क्लिक करो तो और कितने ऑप्शंस आते हैं? यस, वेरी गुड. यस, सो देखो वहां पे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड का ऑप्शन आ रहा है आपको 3rd या 4th नंबर पे. रुचा, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी which one is the Microsoft Word option for him?
Yeah, it's the 6th one.
6th one. Just count, baby. 1 2 3 4 5 6 काउंट करो, और 6th नंबर पे जो फाइल है उसको क्लिक करके ओपन करो. Click on that.
Microsoft Word document.
Yes, Microsoft Word document. Click on that.
ये
हाँ, 6th button.
नहीं बेटा, कॉन्टैक्ट के नीचे.
Okay, contact के
और
नीचे.
और नीचे. हाँ, परफेक्ट, वो वाला.
Click on that. Yes, the other kids, you are doing such a great job. Game के लिए सारे बच्चे excited हैं? Are you all excited for the game? Okay, and you are not going to save the file using the, आप वहां पे नहीं जाओगे, आप वहां पे फाइल पे क्लिक नहीं करोगे, सेव एज नहीं करना है. You have to press the button Control and S together. Okay, use these two keys, press Control and S together and save the file. All right, so now I have got game for you all. Okay, we are going to play that game now, and I have divided that game in 2 parts. So the game is very simple and interesting. You all can see my screen. तो ये है फर्स्ट गेम हमारा and it's a speed test. Okay, so this game is based on speed. So आपको क्या करना है, आपको word file open रखो, ठीक है? Don't close the word file, you keep your word files open. What you have to do is I am going to show a word in front of you only for 1 second. एक सेकंड के लिए, 1 मिनट के लिए सिर्फ मैं आपके सामने एक वर्ड दिखाने वाली हूँ and you have to type that word in your word file. Okay, so आपकी word file open ही रखना, close बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. I am quickly, very fast I am going to show it to you few words and you have to type those words using both your fingers. पता है मैंने जो वर्ड्स डिसाइड किए हैं, जो मैंने वर्ड्स यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, these words are divided equally on the keyboard. मतलब कुछ वर्ड्स जो है वो आपके कीबोर्ड के लेफ्ट साइड में है, कुछ लेटर्स जो है वो आपके कीबोर्ड के राइट साइड में है. सो whenever you have to use some letters, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप सबके सब बच्चे अभी अभी कीबोर्ड में देखो, everyone look down, look at your keyboard. So there are letters such as P, O, L, K, M, N, J, I. So ये letters जो है, ये सारे letters आपके right side में है. So all of you are going to use your right fingers to type those letters. But जो letters आपके left side में है, for example Q, A, Z, S, W, X, C, D, ये सारे जो आपके letters है, you have to type those letters using your left hand. Okay? मुझे पता है बहुत से बच्चे सिर्फ एक हाथ से टाइप करते हैं और कुछ बच्चे दोनों हाथ से टाइप कर सकते हैं. So this game is all about how to use your fingers, how to use both the fingers of both your hands. So मैं आपको बहुत quickly मैं आपको words दिखाने वाली हूँ and you have to use your fingers, both your fingers. This is the index finger. जो सबसे पहली उंगली होती है हमारी, ये उंगली को हम यूज करेंगे और ये उंगली को यूज करके हम ये वर्ड्स जो है वो टाइप करने वाले हैं. So let's start with the first word, which is.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चा.
मेरा लैपटॉप दिख रहा है?
आपका लैपटॉप मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है.
अब ठीक है.
Very nice. See, you open a word file. That's so nice. Good. Yes.
क्या दबो?
Now, हाँ अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी हम गेम खेलने वाले हैं एक. So what are we going to do now? जो वर्ड्स आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देंगे मेरे स्क्रीन पे, वो सेम वर्ड्स आपको टाइप करने हैं उस फाइल में जो आपने ओपन की है. But you have to use both your fingers, okay? You will not do it with only one hand or only one finger. You have to use both your fingers of both the hands. ठीक है, दोनों हाथ यूज करके करना है. All right, so let's do it. Let's start the game. All of you excited?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम ओनली टाइपिंग करते हैं मैम, पर वो एक ही फिंगर से टाइपिंग करते हैं. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. That is the reason. So yes, a lot of parents have said that the kids use only one finger, and that is what this whole game is about. They have to divide the alphabets. हमने alphabets को divide करके ही कुछ words बनाए हैं, so that when the alphabet is towards the right side of the keyboard, they have to use the right hand, and when the alphabets are towards the left side of the keyboard, they have to use the left hand. Yes, kids, understood all of you? Right and left?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are quickly going to start
Yes,
the
ma'am.
game, and everyone is going to be a winner. Okay, सारे बच्चे मेरे winners हैं. So we are quickly going to start the game, and this is your first word. Type fast.
Dog.
Yes, use both the fingers. Okay.
Ma'am.
Great. The second word.
Bat.
Yes, you have to type it, Binyamin. Yes.
Bat.
Type करना है, ईशान type करना है. You don't have to call out on that name, the word, but you have to type that word fast and using both your hands. Don't use a single hand.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now here comes the next alphabet. Okay. H. Yes, I would request the kids not to press any button on the screen. All right. Yes, here comes the third button, third word. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Use both the fingers. Okay, I can see Arya, Nimisharya. Here comes the fourth word. Quick, 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 quick. Here comes the fourth word. Here comes the fifth word. Here comes. Okay. अब आप में से मुझे बताओ 5 वर्ड्स में से कितने बच्चे पांचों के पांचों वर्ड्स लिख पाए हैं? Just put it in the chat box. Just put it in the chat box. How many words could you write properly? Okay, the complete words. How many words could you write? Okay, Harshit had said all. Good. Okay. Siddhant 4, Pranav 4. Okay. Joanne 4. Ayush has done all. 4, all, 4, all. Okay, all. 5, all. 3. Neil, okay. Okay, all. Used only one hand, okay. And how many of you, ये जिन्होंने all type किया है, all 5, how many of you used both your fingers to do it? Raise your hand. कौन से ऐसे बच्चे थे जिन्होंने दोनों हाथ अपने use किए हैं to write it? Okay, I can see Somitra and Aishwarya and Aditya and Ayush and Neil. Okay, great. Great. How many of you have used both your hands to type it? Okay. Krishna, Manali. Okay, Joanne has used only one hand to do it. Arna has also used only one hand. Okay, Harshit has asked me a question, one hand is better or both? So yes, both hands are better to do it. हम simultaneously करते हैं and हमारा speed भी increase हो जाता है. So today's game or today's day is about increasing your typing speed. मैंने starting में ही बताया, हमने topic देखा है कि हमारा जो topic है that is about typing. So ma'am is going to increase your typing speed and इसी के साथ साथ yes parents, this is for all of you. So the reason why we are doing this activity is because when kids use both their hands, they are simultaneously using at the same time using their brain as well. So it is very important even for their fine motor skills to happen that they use both their hands while they are typing. It increases their speed, it increases their efficiency of typing it. And there is also one game, I'm going to put it in the WhatsApp group. You just have to download that game, and that game is about typing and how speedily you can type. So just make sure that the kids play that game online, or it's not online. You have to download it and then you can just play it any which way, and they will get letters on screen. So that means they also get knowledge about the letter. They also get to understand the alphabets, because in this keypad the alphabets is not in sequence. It is not like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So the alphabets are up and down. So once they get so habitual to the alphabets, once they start understanding the alphabet, a time comes where they don't even have to look down while they are typing a particular alphabet, because they now then know, उनके mentally उनके brain में वो चीज आ जाती है कि ये alphabet कहाँ पर है, या मुझे ये alphabet कैसे press करना है, click करना है. So the whole activity or the whole purpose behind it is very different. 2-3 चीजें हैं जिसको compile किया गया है. One is for their motor skills. One is to use both side of their brain. Another thing is to increase their efficiency and the speed of the hand movements. Another thing is that they get understanding about the alphabets on the keyboard. So even if they are not able to learn, for smaller kid it is कि अगर बच्चों को नहीं समझ आ रहा है, अभी भी alphabet recognition नहीं है या alphabet understanding नहीं है, but with the help of using this keyboard very specifically, आप उनको वो चीज सिखा सकते हो. So yes, first of all, clap for yourself. All those who could type all the 5 words nicely, and even for those who tried their best and you did the typing. So सबसे पहले अपने लिए clap करें. Yes, clap. Okay, great. So now we move to the second game. अब ये जो second game है ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा game है. Okay, it's not like just small words. अब इस second game में मैंने कुछ words लिखे हैं और उन words के साथ साथ मैंने ये भी लिखा है कि आपको 2 fingers use करने हैं या एक ही finger use करना है. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are, for example, see, you can see here on my screen. So here I have written hello, and hello के सामने मैंने लिखा है 2 fingers. That means when you are typing hello, जब आप hello लिख रहे हो, आपको compulsory 2 fingers use करने हैं. Okay, you are compulsory going to use these 2 fingers and you are going to type. जब आप by type करोगे, तब आपको सिर्फ एक ही finger. You can use your right hand or you can use your left hand. Any which hand is fine, and you have to type by. Okay, so ऐसे मैंने यहाँ पे 4 sentences आपके लिए लिए हैं, and you have to follow the instruction. That is the rule of the game. जब हम कोई भी game खेलते हैं तब game का rule होता है ना. So ये इस game का rule ये है कि आपको ये instructions follow करने हैं और आपको ये instructions follow करके ही type करना है. So first we will start with the word hello. So just look at the screen. आप सबसे पहले तो कीबोर्ड पे देखिए और कीबोर्ड पे देखिए कहाँ पर HELLO है. First look at where HELLO is written. Now use both these fingers. Yes, Aishwarya, I can see your thumb down. What happened? Okay. Yes, sir, please, you can definitely add something. Joanne. Yes, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the keyboard. See where hello is written. See where hello is written.
Yes. I'm done.
There is an echo. There is an echo.
I'm done.
Okay. There is an echo.
I'm done.
Is it okay now,
Good.
ma'am?
Yes, sir. It's
Done.
fine. No, sir. Actually, there is still lot of echo. Yes. So you have, sir, you can type it out to me if that's okay.
एक बार रुक जा.
Okay. So you have typed hello with 2 fingers. Now type bye with a single finger. Type bye
Two
with a single
fingers?
finger. No, with single
One
finger.
है.
Ishan only with 1 hand, 1 finger.
One finger खोल दिए.
Yes. You
One
have to
fingers.
type. Yes, you can use left or right. Any is fine.
2 fingers.
Yes.
Chup.
Now use 1 finger, Ishan, and type the word bye. Yes, use 1 finger and type the word bye.
मैम आई हैव डन बोलो, आई हैव डन बोलो। हम कैन वी स्टार्ट?
Yes, you can start. You have to start. You have to type the word buy with one finger. And parents, please make sure that the kids are going with the same pace.
What are
Yes, ma'am. Just make sure that the kids are going at the same pace. They're not too fast. They're not too slow. They're not going ahead of time. Okay. Then the next we go is I am an Indian using both the fingers. Means one finger of your left hand and one finger of your right hand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, baby.
अब कुछ करूँ मैं?
हाँ बच्चा, टाइप करेंगे हम हेलो HELLO. सो कीबोर्ड पे देखिए H कहाँ है?
मैं यही लिखूं सारा?
हाँ
मैं यही लिखूं जो आपने लिख के दी है?
हाँ, वही टाइप करना है जो मैंने लिखा है. Yes, but you have to use both your hands, okay? Fingers of both your hands.
I have done.
Okay. You have done, Balaji?
I have done.
Great.
Yeah, done.
Ma'am, I've
Yay.
done.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
हाँ बोलो मैम. Ma'am, I've
Great.
done.
Great. अभी आपको यहाँ पे देखना है बच्चों. Yes, kids. You have to see. मैंने ये जो इंडियन में I है, आ गया. ये इंडियन में जो I है, ये मेरा I कैपिटल है. So in that case, what are you going to press? आपको जब कैपिटल करना है एक लेटर, तो हम क्या प्रेस करेंगे?
Backspace.
I'm shift.
No, wrong.
शिफ्ट है ना?
No.
Clocks. Hey, Joe.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Caps lock.
हाँ.
कैप्स लॉक प्रेस करना है. कैप्स
Yes,
लॉक
ma'am.
मतलब वो बटन जिसपे छोटू सा एक लाइट लगता है. So you have to use caps lock, not shift. And Manas, I can see a background change. पीछे ये आ रहा है, कुछ बैकग्राउंड चेंज किया है. I can see a bridge. Clear it out quickly. You know that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैं कैपिटल कैसे लिखूं इसमें? कैपिटल
कैपिटल कैसे
Caps
लिखना है?
lock.
कैपिटल के लिए हम कैप्स
Caps
लॉक
lock.
वाला बटन प्रेस करेंगे. आपके वहां पे कैप्स लॉक वाला बटन है, उस बटन को हम प्रेस करेंगे. यस, फर्स्ट 1 2 3 4 फोर्थ बटन. यस, वेरी गुड. ये देखो लाइट लग गया था. गुड.
Yeah.
Yes, now Manas, the screen is back.
I'm
Good.
done.
Done. Now we come to the last part, which says I am happy today. You have to do it with both your fingers. I am happy today. I am happy today. Okay, Aishwarya is not well. No problem, bacha. Aishwarya, please take care. I got your message in the chat box. Get well soon and then do the second game. It's no problem at all. All right. So yes, done with I am happy today. You can show me a thumbs up if you're done. Great.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. I can see so many screens. All right. Great. Done.
Yeah,
Done.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
ये मंडे को
Good.
दूध और अंडा देते हैं और थर्सडे को फ्रेश बाकी देते हैं, ठीक है?
Good, all of you. Good. अब इतने टाइम में तो आपको पता चल गया होगा. Now you know that which alphabet is where. Now you should able to understand which alphabet is where and कौन सा टाइप करना है. So we come to the last game here and the last game is a speed again. Okay? बहुत speed में मैं आपको letters बताने वाली हूँ. So you really have to pay attention to me. You really have to pay attention to what ma'am is trying to say and listen to me carefully so that आपको पता चलेगा कि मैं कौन सा alphabet बोल रही हूँ. So you just have to type that alphabet on the word file. Okay? But very fast. Like very fast. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes also so that I don't see the keyboard. But you have to type very fast. So you have to pay attention to me. आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा और आप cheating नहीं करोगे. मैं आंखें बंद कर रही हूँ. Okay? No one will cheat. No one is going to cheat. I'm going to close my eyes quickly. So the first alphabet is alphabet Q. Quickly type alphabet Q.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Now the second alphabet is P.
Done.
Third alphabet is T. T. T for tiger. T. Fourth alphabet is N.
Done.
Next alphabet is A. Next alphabet is C. My eyes are closed, so don't do any cheating.
And we have to write with both hands.
Next alphabet is, yes, you have to use your both hands here. So जो alphabets आपके right side में होंगे, you will use your right hand. जो alphabets आपके left side में होंगे, you will use your left hand.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Now the next alphabet is G.
Done.
Okay. Now press enter button. Okay. So you come to the next line. Now quickly I'm going to say it again. So first alphabet is M. Second alphabet is O. Third alphabet is N.
Line.
Fourth alphabet is D.
P.
D. D for donkey. D.
Dog.
Next alphabet is A.
Apple.
And the next alphabet is Y.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Okay.
मैं
The first alphabet is M. The second alphabet is O. The
excuse me
third
ma'am.
alphabet is N. The fourth alphabet is D. Fifth alphabet is A.
Elephant.
And the sixth alphabet is Y. So that makes,
Monday.
yes,
Monday.
yay. That makes Monday, which is today.
ठीक है मेरा.
आने वाले को.
Yes, you're doing a great job, baby. आप ठीक कर रहे हो. I again forgot your name because it's written Moto G plus. So what was his name? I forgot. Sorry. Okay. So that makes Monday. All right. So I just hope parents, please just make sure that the kids are using both their hands. Soon I will be putting it in the chat box. Yes, Arman. Arman, you are doing a great job. Good. So yes, So kids, parents, just make sure that the kids are using both their hands while they are typing. I will be soon putting up in the WhatsApp group. So it's the game is there on any app store, be it an iPhone or an Android, iOS or Android. So you can just download that game, and it's very interesting for the kids because the alphabets keep on going off screen. So it will start like a balloon from down, and then it will go up, and it will disappear. All they have to do is within that time slot, they have to press that button. They have to press that particular alphabet. So in fact, I have been using in my previous school as well, offline. So it's a very interesting thing to do. The kids will enjoy it. And yes, so now you know where all the alphabets are. Quickly show me a thumbs up. और बताओ मुझे कीपैड पे कोई अल्फाबेट मिसिंग है, कीबोर्ड पे कोई अल्फाबेट मिसिंग है, A to Z अल्फाबेट्स है या कोई अल्फाबेट मिसिंग है?
नहीं मैम,
सारे हैं ईशान? पक्का?
नहीं मैम,
नहीं मैम,
सब है।
सब है?
हाँ,
A to Z है.
Very good. A to Z है? Very good. Yes. Great. So just practice the typing thing. Just practice with both the hands. Parents, just make sure that they do it with both the hands for their speed and for their motor skills. And yes, you all have done a great job today as well. So yes, Manas. Yes, I can see you. So yes, you all have done a great job today. So pat your back. Pat your back.
UPELG का क्या है? ELEG?
क्या हुआ बच्चा?
UPELEG का समझ नहीं पा रहा है मुझे।
वो कुछ नहीं था, वो तो मैंने ऊपर नीचे अल्फाबेट्स आपको दिए थे।
अच्छा, ऐसे ही।
ऐसे, yes. Okay, so for yourself, pat your back, and for your friends, clap. सब friends के लिए clap करेंगे, खुद के लिए you will pat your back. Cool. So चलो, see you all on Wednesday, and bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.